Okay, now we have Lagrange's formula for interpolation. Usually, as usual, in the question it will be given your x naught values, x naught, y naught, x1, y1, etc. and so on. You will be given the values of this. Now for Lagrange formula, as soon as you get these certain values, just input it in the formula and you'll have your answer. Now the formula states that, let's assume anything. I'll take it as f of x, or yeah, I think we can go with y of x. Y of x is given by, okay, so let me just make it easier for you. I'll write down all the values here, the terms, terms. Now, for Lagrange's first set of terms, we have x naught. The formula is in such a way that you keep neglecting one term as you go on. So basically, here for my first part, my first term is x minus x1, x minus x2, x minus x3, dot, and so on, into y naught whole divided by x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, x naught minus x3, and so on. So this y naught is a numerator. This is my first term. Next I have second term. Just a minute. Yeah, this is better. Now I have my second term. First we excluded x naught, correct? We don't have x minus x naught here. Now what I do is, for my second set of terms, I'll be excluding x1. So the formula will become x minus x naught into x minus x2 into x minus x3 dot into y1 whole divided by, since I'm excluding x1 in this set of terms, I'll be doing this x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2, because if I do x1 minus x1, it will be 0 and the whole denominator will be 0. So you won't do x1 minus x1. You will do directly x1 minus x2, x1 minus x3, and so on. Now in the same way, what will the next set of terms be? I neglected x0, I neglected x1, now next I'll neglect x2. So my next set of terms will be x minus x0 into x minus x1 into x minus x3 dot into y2 whole divided by, now since I'm neglecting x2 here, it will become x2 minus x0, x2 minus x1, x2 minus x3, because I can't do x2 minus x2, and dot. So in the same way, this series continues. Basically, for first term, you neglect x0, so you start with x minus x1. For second set of terms, you neglect x1, so you start with x minus x0. You won't write x minus x1. You will go directly to x minus x2. And denominator will be the term which you neglect minus every term. So here I'm neglecting x0, so x0 minus x1, x1 minus x0, x2 minus x0, and so on. This is Lagrange's formula. Now we'll do a question. Okay, so in this question, I need to find f of 9. So at first, what I'll do is, since I need to find f of 9, that means x is 9. I have every value written here. I'll just write it down just to make it easier. x0 is 5, x1 is 7, x2 is 11, x3 is 13, x4 is 17. In the same way, y0 is 150, y1 is 392, y2 is 1452, y3 is 2366, y4 is 5202. So now I have all this. I have my Lagrange's formula. I'll just substitute everything. So if I take y of 9, That's what we need to find. Instead of f of 9, I'm just writing y of 9 equals. First, I neglect x naught, correct? So my first term will be x minus x1, 9 minus 7 into 9 minus 11, x minus x2 into 9 minus 13 into 9 minus 17 into y naught, where y naught I have is 150, whole divided by x naught minus x1, so 5 minus 7. Next I have 5 minus 11, x naught minus x2, 5 minus 13 and 5 minus 17. This is my first set of terms done. Plus, next I'm neglecting x1, so I'll have directly x naught, x minus x naught, which is 9 minus 5. I won't write 9 minus 7 because I'm neglecting it. 9 minus 11, 9 minus 13, 9 minus 17. And now I have into y1, which is 392, whole divided by, since I neglected x1, it will be 7 minus 5, 7 minus 11, 7 minus 13, 7 minus 17. Next third set of terms, I'm neglecting x2. So 9. Next third set of terms, I'm neglecting x2. So this will be 9 minus 5, 9 minus 7, 9 minus 13, 9 minus 17 into, now I have y2, which is 1452, whole divided by, since I'm neglecting x2, so it will be 11 minus 5, 11 minus 7, 11 minus 13, 11 minus 17. Now finally the last one is the next one is I'm neglecting x3, so it will be 9 minus 5, 9 minus 7, 9 minus 11 and 9 minus 17. This into y3, which is nothing but 2366. This whole thing I divided by, since I'm neglecting x3, I believe I have, yeah, 13 minus 5, 13 minus 7, 13 minus 11 and 13 minus 17. Now for my last set of terms, I'm neglecting x4, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 7, 9 minus 11, 9 minus 17. Oh wait, I'm neglecting this, my bad. 9 minus 11, that's where you stop, into y 9 minus 13, into, now I'm neglecting x4, so into y4, which is 5202, whole divided by, next I have, what is this, I have 13, so I'm neglecting x4, so 17 minus 5, 17 minus 7, 17 minus 11 and 17 minus 13. So once I solve the whole thing, I believe I'll get the answer to be, the answer will be around 810. So that shows that f of 9 is equal to 810. That's it.